How to use Android camera as a magnifying glass. So if you're trying to use your Android device's camera as a magnifying glass, in order to do this, you can either use the inbuilt feature if it is available for you depending upon your device. If it is not, you'll need to use a separate application. So in order to check if it is available or not, just head over to your settings, search for magnification, and if you are able to see the option of being displayed, you can simply open it up. And depending upon your gestures, now depending upon how to toggle it on, you may have different options. So for example, one option is going to be to triple tap. If you toggle this option on, and if you triple tap on any screen, you can see it zooms in or it magnifies. So this is one option that you can use. And if this option is not already inbuilt, what you need to do in this situation is head over to your Play Store and search for this application, which is the magnifier and microscope. You'll need to download this application onto your device, and once you do that, you can follow a similar process which will let you zoom into any photo or even using your Android camera. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.